My name is Anil Bhargav. I am the founder of a company called The Chitrakars. So it's an 8-year-old firm. We are specialized in making animated explainers and e-learning videos right from startups to enterprises. That's a service company. And few of us clientele include Income Tax Department, Niti Aayog, GMR, Dr. Reddy's and Cisco. So right now, our core expertise is also into creating social videos for digital marketers. We have automated our entire video production process and created a SaaS product called businessads.co. This is for one simple reason, because of the high demand of social videos from digital marketers. 93% of the digital marketers say social videos are highly profitable and they give maximum ROI. But so I'll go to the actual problem what we are trying to solve for digital marketers. The problem is they need skill. They need to depend on video production houses like us, or they need to have their own in-house designing teams to do it. Fact is, it always takes number of iterations to do that. The way dynamic and agile are the social videos, because they're highly personalized and they're more consumer centric. They're basically designed and super engaging, to be super engaging based on the consumer interests and their behaviors. So every time they need to go to a designing team and change it according to the consumer demographics and come back and post it is a tedious process. It is highly time consuming and expensive. So that is the first problem in terms of skill. The second is time consuming, and the third thing is lack of Indianized video content. There are few tools which create social videos for digital marketers, but none of them address India's persona. I'll just give you a simple example live over here. If you see that poster over there, PayGift, it's a wonderful brand, but do you connect to the character over there, to the image? That's a persona I'm talking about. So we basically design it more of an Indian persona, Indianized content, which is more relevant and create empathy towards Indian consumers. So our platform is extremely easy to use. Let it be for WhatsApp video status, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, or Instagram stories. You can choose a resolution, customize the video, campaign on your own without any dependency on a designing team or a production house to do it for you. They're highly captivating because we come from a design background. We have that expertise. We have automated our frameworks, that it is there are quality that is delivered to a marketer, and they make sure that it is highly captivating and super engaging. And it is purely focused on Indian consumer interests based on the retail use cases like cashback offers, discounts, sales, or also Indian festivals, right from Ramzan to Holi, Ugadi, Pongal. This is something that is completely regional, which is fresh, first of its to access, which no social video platform has entered before, is what we are doing here. You look at this is one of the video created in our platform. You see an Indian character, Indianized woman, and her daughter. We say Happy Women's Day. And the best part is, we go with the name within it. We create personalized videos. Even the name goes within the video. Dear Asha Sharma, Happy Women's Day. So to make this personalized is something that needs a design expertise and technology expertise. So we create personalized videos at a volume scale as well. You see personalized emails, you see personalized SMS. So personalized videos is also what we do. For example, here is one of the personalized video that we have done for a trust called Yogananda Trust. You see over here, there is Dear Jaita, we appreciate your contribution towards Yogananda Trust. And the name goes within and the image, the guru goes within. This gives immense experience to the end consumer, and this shows a gratitude. So is this, Dear Ram. And right here at this point, while we are talking, startup lanes can send personal thank you notes to all the investors with their images. That's how powerful personalized videos are. So we can create volumes of videos in a single click. That's a platform that we have designed. And the timing, why is the right time for, this is the right timing for us? Because there is a 51% increase in digital marketing right now in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. To be very honest, with the release of Jio free Wi-Fi and Jio SIM and this thing, there's a huge penetration in Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. Retailers are into digital platforms now. They want to have their market through these digital platforms. And vernacular apps are highly, is a boom at this point. TikTok, for example. We are the business for TikTok. B2B for TikTok. So social videos now being the highly influential content among rest of all. As I've said, it is super engaging. It is based on the consumer interest. It is completely personalized. And the next 5 years, 80% of the traffic is social videos. The size of the market, 1.8 crore, is the digital marketer size in India. From there, we'd be advancing to the retail enterprises, where they want to campaign to the masses. This is the size of a digital marketing companies. How we got to know that is through Facebook ad platform. That gives you an estimate or a size of how many digital marketing people are there based on their interests and their behavior patterns. This is the traction we have generated. 6 months before, we have done a soft launch. 230 registered customers, 30 paid customers, and this is how it was segregated. Individual retailers use it for day-to-day campaigning about their product on social platforms, and digital marketers use it to create a campaign, video campaigns on festival seasons and trigger more emotional responses with their Indian consumers. And retail enterprises create personalized videos. If there are volumes of data set, create personalized video to them during a birthday invite, or probably expressing their gratitude for the service that someone has subscribed. These are our competitors, Crello, Bytable, and Promo, but none of them make personalized videos and none of them have Indianized video content. So that's where we are unique, and that's where the first of the access is what we got in. This is how our revenue model is right now. It's subscription plan, it's unlimited downloads, unlimited customizations. We're giving it for rupees 25,000, where every startup to an enterprise can take a use of it, get the experience of the product, and go for the next service called personalization, where we charge rupees 5 per render, 5 per broadcasting per message. And if someone wants to design an exclusive video, we charge rupees 5,000 for a 10-second video, which is called as a social video. How could we do this? Because of the design expertise we have from past 8 years, and because of the assets that we have been creating it, we have created a framework for freelancers like artists and animators to onboard and keep contributing to the assets at the back end, which is an animated videos or real-time footages, which is purely Indianized. And basically, we have a team of 20 people within, and we have a freelancers about 40 people who keep contributing to these assets. And basically, we are 3 co-founders. We are an alumni of IIIT Hyderabad, and we are also basically a combination of both. We are into arts and we have a tech background. So that's how we could be unique in creating Chitrakars and business ads. A future roadmap is integrated to other mass marketing tools like Facebook. I mean, Facebook has its own way of creating personalized videos. So we are right now trying to integrate to email, social media platforms like auto reply on social media platforms can be through personalized videos rather than sending a simple text message. And also have video analytics in place. So if this goes to 1,000 people, we need to know how many of them have opened it. The marketer needs to know who is the right prospect, who is interested in his service, and then subscribe it so that I can run the next campaign only for the prospects. So we have got video analytics in place.